Welcome. Today we're diving into cryptocurrency, a digital frontier that's changing how people earn online. Crypto is a global 24/7 financial system accessible from your phone or computer. The appeal? Low barriers to entry. You don't need a finance degree or a lot of capital, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Popular ways to earn include trading, staking, lending, mining, and even affiliate programs. Each method has its own risks and rewards, and understanding the basics is crucial before you start. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized digital assets, not controlled by any bank or government. This independence is exciting, but it also means the market is highly volatile. Prices can swing wildly in minutes. Our goal is to break down the most common earning methods, so you can navigate this space with confidence. We'll keep things simple, highlight useful platforms, and share tips to help you manage risk. Think of this as your crypto crash course, the first step on your journey. The digital currency world is always evolving, so staying informed is your best tool. Ready to explore how you can make money with crypto? Let's get started. Trading is simple. Buy low, sell high. The crypto market never sleeps, so timing and strategy are key. Start with a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. These platforms make it easy for beginners to buy their first coins. Success requires learning to read price charts and market trends. Don't put all your money into one coin. Diversify across assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum to manage risk. Mining is another way to earn, but it now requires specialized hardware and significant electricity. Many miners join pools, combining resources to increase their chances of earning rewards. For most beginners, trading is more accessible than mining, but both require research and a clear plan. Remember, the crypto market is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use demo accounts or start with small amounts to practice before risking real money. Whether you trade or mine, continuous learning is key to staying ahead. Want passive income? Staking lets you earn rewards by locking up certain coins to help secure their networks. Major exchanges like Binance and Kraken offer easy staking options. Just hold your coins and watch them grow. Crypto lending is another hands-off strategy. Lend your assets through platforms like Aave or Compound and earn interest, often higher than banks offer. These platforms are part of DeFi, decentralized finance, which rebuilds financial services on the blockchain, cutting out middlemen. You can also provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, earning a share of trading fees. But beware, DeFi comes with risks like smart contract bugs and impermanent loss. Always research before you commit. Staking and lending are great for beginners who want to grow their assets without constant trading. Start small, learn the process, and use only reputable platforms. DeFi is innovative but complex. Take time to understand the risks and rewards. These passive strategies can help you build wealth steadily over time. Next, let's see how you can earn from crypto without investing money through affiliate programs and the gig economy. These options are perfect if you want to get involved without buying coins. Let's dive in. You don't need to own crypto to earn from it. Affiliate programs let you earn commissions by referring new users to exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Share your unique link on a blog, YouTube, or social media. When someone signs up and trades, you get paid. Authenticity matters. Only promote platforms you trust to build a reputation and steady passive income. The crypto boom has also created a gig economy. Companies need writers, developers, designers, and marketers who understand crypto. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and crypto job boards list thousands of freelance and remote jobs, often paying in crypto. Use your skills to earn, learn, and network in the industry without risking your own money. For example, write blog posts, build apps, or manage social media for crypto projects. This path deepens your industry knowledge and opens doors to new opportunities. The gig economy is a practical way to get paid while staying on top of crypto trends. Next, let's talk about managing risk and the importance of continuous learning. These are essential for long-term success in crypto. Here's how to protect yourself and grow your knowledge. Crypto is exciting, but risk management is crucial. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Start small and diversify. Don't put all your funds into one coin. Mix established assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum with a few stablecoins. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication and beware of scams. Never share your private keys. For long-term holding, consider a hardware wallet to keep your assets safe from hackers. Stay alert for red flags. Guaranteed returns and unsolicited offers are usually scams. The crypto world changes fast. Follow reputable news, listen to podcasts, and keep learning. The more you know, the better you'll spot opportunities and avoid pitfalls. Building wealth with crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, smart strategies, and ongoing education, you can thrive in this new financial landscape. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Now you're ready to explore, earn, and grow in the world of cryptocurrency. Stay curious, stay safe, and good luck. See you in the next video.